If you've had a Capital One credit card, your data may have been compromised. Coming up on Split Second Tech. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Split Second Tech video. I'm Aaron, and today we're going to go over the data breach of Capital One. As you may have heard in the news by now, Capital One did suffer a major data breach affecting millions of customers. So in today's video, we're going to go through, take a look at the facts of what we know so far, as well as provide you with some tips on what to do going forward. The Capital One breach is affecting 106 million different individuals. Of those 106 million, 140,000 had their social security numbers swiped, 1 million Canadian social insurance numbers were stolen, along with 80,000 people had their linked bank accounts swiped as well. Here's a few useful tips that you can try. Freeze your credit with all three bureaus. Freezing your credit, this prevents new lines of credit from being opened up in your name. It is free and can be done either over the phone or online, and you'll be provided with a PIN code in case you ever need to unfreeze it when you're trying to apply for new credit. Enabling two-factor authentication is another great way to increase the login security of all of your accounts. You may have seen in the past or may have encountered it in the past where if you're trying to sign into an email or a PayPal account or something along those lines, that it wants to send you a temporary code. This is a prime example of what two-factor authentication is. Having some type of credit monitoring service as well is another great tip. With the Equifax breach being so recent, you can opt in to sign up for free credit monitoring service, although we are not certain when that will take effect. Capital One has also disclosed that they will be providing free credit monitoring service for those that have been affected. The last tip is common sense, but it's also not taken very seriously, and that is to change your password on a frequent basis. Avoid using something that is easy to guess or reusing the same type of password with just a different variation. Well, everyone, I hope this video was informative for you. I'll go ahead and post the 3 links for the 3 credit bureaus in case you're looking at freezing your credit, as well as post the other tips that we've mentioned in this video in the video description as well. If you found the video useful and informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Check out some of the other videos that we have on this channel. We do a lot of stuff from how-tos and tutorials all the way over to tech news and unboxings. I'll link a couple over on the right-hand side of the screen for you. Subscribe if you're not already, and enable the bell notification so you guys don't miss out on any type of future content, and we will see you on the next one.